Good morning. It's Sunday, the 1st of December, and this is our last morning in the marina. So I'm just gonna have a shower, do the last washing, and in about 2 hours we should be on our way to sail the Med. Beautiful morning. We should have another sunny day. Not bad, eh? Not bad. Gosh, it's very quiet. There's not much wind, but maybe that's better for our first day on the Med. Fingers crossed all goes well.
It's a little mess, like we will solve it. Clean it up maybe. Maybe it was with the hose, with the water hose. Yes, it was.
Marco is preparing his boat. Lee is preparing our boat.
Bigger anchor.
And PJ is checking out other boats. You can't go on that one. Oh, is this one better? Okay, it's nearly 11:30 and we are still in the marina because we're waiting for Marco for the other boat. He's still getting ready, sorting his boat out, so yeah, has a bit of a delay. Originally we were planning to go and stop at some anchorage, but we'll see how it goes because we lost about an hour and a half time. If it gets dark and we won't get to anchorage, then we're gonna head for marina. So we're still in marina. We haven't gone anywhere today. The delay was too long. I think by the time Marco was done with his boat, it was about 12:30. No, it was 1 o'clock. So we decided to leave it now and go tomorrow. Bonjour! So today we're gonna try again and go to our next destination. It's just some islands of the Marseille. I've just been to the shop to buy a few more bits and pieces and baguette, of course. Yes, so Lee should be on the phone and find out if there are any spaces for marina for us, because the next 3 days will be quite windy, so we need to make sure we've got somewhere safe to stop for that time. If there is no spaces, we might as well stay here for a few more days. Okay, we're finally leaving the Port St. Louis Marina backwards. Yes, we're not doing things traditional way. Why not?
No, I'm going to reverse out.
We're reversing.
Why do it the easy way?
Yes, why do it easy way if you can complicate things?
This is so much more fun.
That's not bad at all, especially with the dinghy on the side as well.
No, it's going pretty straight.
Yeah. And what? Handbrake and a spin.
Yeah, just a quick handbrake turn and we'll be away.
We are on our way. We actually just stopped by the chandlery and bought a new chain. It was a pretty good deal. Very good deal. Much cheaper than UK as well. We bought 28 meters, or maybe even 29 meters of chain, 8mm chain, and you paid 180 euros,
Yes.
which is about what, 150 pounds. I mean, crazy price. Today we are trying to get to the islands just outside Marseille. It's about 22 miles, 22 nautical miles. It should be about 5 hours to get there. So that's to the anchorage.
No wind.
No wind, so we are motoring.
Looks like it.
So this is our very first day of sailing.
First day on the Med and there's no wind.
Yes.
What can you do?
At least it's easy introduction. Marco there in front of us. We told him this time you go first. We've been going first on the canals and rivers all the way. He can go first now. We will be crossing the ship lane soon. Lovely, lovely warm weather, beautiful day.
You can hardly see Marco over here. Looks like he's miles away. There's our new chain we bought this morning, the 8mm galvanised. I think it was 25 metres I asked for, but I got about 28 because that's what we were towards the end of the barrel, so he let me have the last 3 metres for free. The wind's picking up, so we've got a Genoa out. It'll be a nice little test for the rigging, see how it reacts. But it's been a nice day so far. The sun's just dropping a bit, so the temperatures, they're dropping as well. Marco and his crew are just out in front of us. They're motoring. And we should be there in an hour. Bonjour. Bonjour. Merci.
Yeah, nice.
Very nice views. Oh yes. Warm.
It's actually okay.
There you go.
Oh. Deep. There's a drop there. Oh, it's cool though.
It's okay. You still have a raincoat.
Hospital Karolina. So this is the one where they used to bring all the plague victims, yellow fever.
Yeah, for the quarantine station. Alright.
Yes. Should be a hospice, really. Yes, very nice. You've got her jeans on.
You have to exchange the
Yeah.
upper and the lower.
Perfect. It was good. Very windy. Looks like the electric's never quite got this far.
No, electric didn't make it here.
No. We're trying to find our way into the cemetery on the top of his island. Okay, the wind's picked up, so we switched our engine into neutral, got the Jannar out, and we're still doing over 5 knots, 5.6 with a gust of wind. The wind picked up just as we came up round that headland there. And making good progress, should be there 2 to 3 hours, I reckon, in Bandol.
So far so good. Sailing away in the med.
Almost there.
4.4 knots at the moment. We've got Genoa out and the main south. They're looking really nice. Four and a half knots.
Oh, 12 knots wind. In this old bathtub.
Hey?
In this old bathtub. Good.
Yeah. Even better, 5.4 knots now, wind 14 knots, depth 75.8. Our solar panel, I'm coming to the rescue. Oh, I can't with my finger. You have to do it. I can't grab it, you know?
Otherwise, it's we have to find a way of securing it.
so nice. All I can hear is just the waves, the sound of sea, and a bit of wind. Sun on my face. It's actually nice and warm. Can't believe it, it's 4th December. Yeah. Yes, my birthday soon. I'm really excited about my birthday this year because it's gonna be finally somewhere warm or warmish, and I might be able to do something super cool on my birthday. This year is gonna be the first time ever I'm gonna celebrate birthday in a fairly warm climate. So not sure yet where it's going to be. It's either gonna be Sardinia or Tunisia. Who knows? Dinghy was just pushing us along. I think he was getting fed up. We slowed down. Oh, it comes. No. Yes, impatient dinghy. Stay back. Whoa! It actually, Jesus Christ. I think we need to let the rope out because it's hitting us, and it just hit the electric engine as well. I'm gonna set you free a little bit more. After 2 nights in the marina, we left the Isles of Frioul around 10 AM. We headed south. On the way we did a little loop. No idea what happened there. Anyway, it was about 25 nautical miles and took us just over 5 hours when we finally dropped the anchor. We made it to our first anchorage in a med. Rather nice, I think. Just outside Bandol. We found it on the Navili. It seems to be protected pretty much from all of the side of the wind. We're only not protected from the south, which is okay because today the wind is coming from north, from there, and it feels quite nice. It's a little bit of swell, but it's not too bad. Yeah, no, it's not too bad. I think we'll be okay.
It's sleepable.
Yes, it's sleepable.
Yeah, sleepable. We've got Marco over there.
Yes, Marco there.
And his crew. And there's Motley crew.
There we go. And this is our anchor boy. At the moment is
we're going circles
alongside us. Yes, we're kind of moving a little bit. But actually what's the quite exciting things for us is that it's the first time where actually we can see our anchor buried in the sun, yes, together with the whole chain. The water is so clean, it's so beautiful, then you can actually see everything.
See the bottom.
Yeah, you can see the bottom, so if there's any problem or anything you can just dive in because you can see where you're going, so it's fantastic.
No more anchor anxiety.
No more. Do what?
Anchor anxiety. Laying awake at night.
Yes.
If you're moving.
Yeah, but I bet we will be checking anyway. Yeah. And there we go, PJ. PJ, this is your first anchorage in Ep.2. Yes, there's water around us.
Yeah, there's no way off. Not today, PJ.
Yes, you're not getting off today.
Unless you can row a dinghy.
It's not much bothered actually.
No.
Checking out. Yes. And back in. Yes. Good decision, PJ. Good decision. Cheers.
Cheers. To our first anchorage.
Yes.
In the med.
Cup of tea.
Let's hope it's a quiet night.
Marco jumped into the water to check his anchor. But I think he's having a swim as well.
I think he's following his chain.
Yeah, I think he's checking, yeah. Okay, so Marco went to check his anchor and looks like he's coming to check ours as well.
It's good to have good neighbours.
Yes, it's good to have good neighbors. He's doing well. I would be like dead by now from freeze to death. Hey, Marco! You're not cold?
No, 16 degrees.
16.
Oh my god, that is cold!
No, it's not cold.
Marco!
0 degrees is cold.
Oh, you're crazy!
Our anchor is 5.2. Now I measure yours.
Okay. Thank you.
6.5.
Okay, thank you so much. So are you enjoying your swim?
Oh, it's beautiful.
Beautiful. Oh my god.
You could enter. It's beautiful, absolutely.
What do you think, PJ? He's looking at that dinghy.
Yeah, it's trying to work out how you work these things.
Okay, it's actually a little bit more rolly than we expected. But yeah, for one night that will do. At least we got a nice sunset. Look at this. Pretty. Oh, I love it here. It's 2:15 and I'm just making a cup of tea. It's a very rolly anchorage. I mean, we're trying to fall asleep, it's impossible. So gave up now and decided a cup of tea might help, as it usually does with everything. Yes, so I don't think so we'll be sleeping tonight. So tomorrow we definitely will be looking for the marina. We're getting up pretty much every hour, checking if we are still in the same spot, if we have moved, but no, I think we are okay. We moved a little bit with our stern facing sea more, but yeah, we are pretty much the same place. You can see behind me in the window, you see how just there how it's going up and down. That's how much we're moving. It's crazy. But yeah, keep smiling.